Monday. Gathered some beautiful things to make a card with. So let's move these over here. These over here. We're gonna start by making a little card thingy here. Composition. Card composition. Let me see here. Let's see how wide this is. This is 5 inches wide. So I will cut this at 4 3/4. There. I have a little thing here that I want to chop off just a little bit. There we go. There is that. Oh, that's a little chopping. I need a little bit less. That will go there. See here. Ah la la la, la la la. There or here. Say this here. Beautiful. It's 5, so we're gonna 4 3/4. There. There. Like this. Yes, like this. And we'll put this like this, maybe like this. Oopsie. That's pretty. Three. Just evaluating things. I think I'm going to cut this into a square. And there we are. They can be used for later on. Let's use some wild honey. Do we have a... No, we don't have a thing on there. So let's see if I can use this. It's subtle with the brown and the orange honey, but that's what I'm looking for. You know, I'm looking for a little subtlety. Yesterday I went and hung out with my daughter and my girlfriend. We had dinner together at Sarah's house, and that was fun. Did that yesterday. Alrighty, now I'm going to use this tape for this. Tastes good. Alrighty, let's put these down. And we'll figure out how we're gonna make this card here. Do I want it like this? Or do I want it like this? I think I want it like this. I got this this paper at what do you call it? Temu. Yes, Temu. That's where I got it. Super cheap. There we are. A little bit more. So what's my life like right now? Oh dear. Got some community stuff going on around here, doing some stuff with friends. Back to my normal streaming times now. I'll be so I'm doing my Make a Card Monday today, and then tomorrow is Teatuesday. So that's that plan, and Wednesday I will be live at 3 o'clock, and I'm crocheting a blanket. I'm doing that. My hands are numb right now. These three, I need, it's carpal tunnel syndrome. I don't know. I had this one. See if you can see that there. There's a little, some lines where I had my surgery for my carpal tunnel in my 20s. I might have to get this one done. But the problem is, if I do that, then I can't art for a little bit, which I don't really want to do, not art. So putting it off, putting it off, putting it off. Days I gotta get my tooth removed that I've been talking about. There. Okay. Ugh. I'm gonna have to have a day off for a couple of days from the crocheting. I'm almost done anyways. I have half a ball left and then I'm done. I'm going around the outside of the blanket to make it a little wider. Okay, here we go. Let's put this on here. There. Take this stuff off. There we are. There we go. Let's put this here. There, that looks good. Now we're gonna put this one on. Ugh, I hate when my hands are numb, it's so uncomfortable. There we go. It's pretty, eh? So we're gonna put some of this on here. This is a die cut I recently got from Temu as well. I have this. I think I'm gonna put it here. I think I'm gonna put it here. There. There. I'm gonna put another piece of tape on there. There we go. There we are. I think I'm going to use some Liquitex Basics. You know what I need? I need a little thing that I can pour thing. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can find something. Here. I found this somewhere. I don't remember where, but it was very useful. Someone suggested that I do this, run it through some glue. Okay. Now we're gonna go like this or like this. I think we'll go like this. There, that's useful. That there. All right, we did that. I'm going to use this. Put that there. Or is that too much? Yeah, we're gonna put that like that. I think I'm gonna do this. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna put a little 3D gloss gel on like I usually do. Put a little on here. See here. Here we go. There we go. I'm gonna put Be Your Beautiful Self up here. I'm going to there. Two. I'm going to use this pop-up tape. I'm going to there. There we go. There we go. That's pretty. I'm gonna cut this. There. And we're gonna do some distress. Maybe I should put it on here first. Oops, don't want it to. Don't want it to smudge. There. There. There we go. You guys see that okay? Take these off. It's a pretty card, eh? I like the colors, the golds. Be your beautiful self. Oh, I need to put some bling bling on here. Put a little glue on here. There. So there's our card for today, for Make a Card Monday. Isn't it pretty? It's very simple, kind of a little rustic. It's pretty. I hope you enjoyed that. And take care. We'll see you tomorrow while I'll do my Teatuesday and read you some lovely meditation. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.